In this video, I'll show you how to create an app promotion campaign in Meta Ads. Start by signing into your Meta Ads Manager account and click the Create button to start a new campaign. Next, choose your campaign objective. Select App Promotion from the list of available objectives. After that, name your campaign and review your campaign settings such as special ad categories if applicable. Now set your budget and schedule, choosing either a daily budget or a lifetime budget depending on your strategy. Next, select your app platform, such as iOS or Android, and connect your app using Meta SDK or by selecting it from the App Store or Google Play. After that, choose your target audience. You can define location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors, or use Advantage Plus Audience for automated targeting. Now select your ad placements, such as Facebook feed, Instagram feed, stories, reels, or leave it on Advantage Plus placements for automatic optimization. Next, create your ad by uploading your creative assets, such as images, videos, and headlines. Add a strong call to action like install now or learn more. After that, review your tracking settings and make sure your app events are properly configured so Meta can optimize for installs or in-app actions. Finally, click Publish to launch your campaign and start driving app installs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an app promotion campaign in Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.